I'm driving an airplane. I don't have a license.
Oh, shucks. Let's hope nothing goes wrong.
Well, there aren't any birds to hit. We're too high up. 1,000 feet. Wait, I mean 7,000 feet. We're going about 85 million miles an hour.
Oh, Fred, you're such a joker.
So you gonna put that parachute on?
Oh, we should have what? Parachutes?
Where's your parachute?
I don't know!
Why'd you take the backpack you're filled with forks?
Because I needed to eat my potato salad.
Jesus Christ, you didn't even bring enough potato salad for me.
I did, so I got a 2-ton jug of sweet tea. And I got a little potato salad for the both of us. O.M. Jizzle. I just dropped it up at the airplane.
Now those forks are useless.
The fork fairy gave me those.
Jump.
I'm gonna jump. I got the forks.
Those are bowling pins, stupid. They're coming pretty quick.
Wait, my forks. I got them.
Those are forks. Where's the plane going? I think it's gonna fall in that ocean over there.
Oh, shucks. That ain't good. Oh, internal bleeding.
Holy crap, we're on a bridge. Found the forks.
I'm gonna jump. I got the boat.
Oh my god, no! I'm sorry, I just totally spilled this. Totally missed my leg, though. Dry. Oh, there's gonna be like a bloody spot on the carpet. Crap. I don't think I'm at it again. They can hear all this. This should be in the bloopers. Oh, crap, I just spilled the blood everywhere. Oh, Dad's gonna think I insulted for you.